Hey guys, welcome to my video. Let me first talk about my Tekmishek name. It's my channel on YouTube. I usually stream EVE Online. I play that game every day. But today we are gonna talk about putting Linux or running Linux on Android. So what you need to know, we will test this on Android version 9. I have my tablet, as you can see on behind me, but I do have it here. I'm remotely connected um, with Visor application um, to manage it with my mouse, but I test equipment for telecommunications company, which then sells the phones and so on. So I'm really interested in learning Linux, how to set up server, um, let's say putting up WordPress and setting up Zabbix, Grafana, and so on. But let's continue. What you need? We will need, you don't need to root the phone for this or tablet. I do have it rooted because otherwise I can't use this remote program called Visor. But to run Linux, you don't need to root. I will show you how. Let's do it together. You need Andronix. We will go step by step how to do this. And we will use Linux version without GUI, just pure Linux with terminal. So let's, before we continue, I saw in YouTube video that you need at least Android version 8 with minimum of 8 gigabytes of space. So let's install Andronix. I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi. Okay, Andronix is installed, and the second app is Termux. This is the application like terminal, like CMD, you know, in Windows. Let's install this. Okay. Now let's run Andronix. Okay, so you can pick whatever system you want. Let's say you want Ubuntu or Debian. This one is Kali Linux, which is average level, but let's, for this video, let's pick Ubuntu. You click proceed, and I will pick the last version, Focal Fossa, which is version 20. It's newer than 18, Bionic Beaver. So let's pick this one and install. Before continuing, if you want desktop environment, you need to click this and you will need to install VNC server application. But for this video, we will just go with CLI only. Okay, did you saw the pop-up CLI copied? So we got command copied like Control-C, you know? So what to do now? Open Termux. As you can see, Termux is running. If you are using a tablet or a phone, you can't Control V, the clipboard, but just press with the left mouse button or just hold down with your finger to get this paste. Just click paste, and this is the command. We will install Ubuntu with this shortcut. So let's enter. Okay, Ubuntu is being installed. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. As you can see, this is why I wanted to do this video, to show you guys how to fix this issue that I had. So as you can see, a repository is under maintenance or down. So what to do now? You need to change the repository. So you will be typing termux minus. If you are using the keyboard on, this is the minus right here, as you can see, but change minus repo and enter. Okay, you can pick with space and select everything. Go with OK. And in the video that someone posted in the previous YouTube, in the, how should I say, on some other video, you know, he said that Albatross usually runs okay. So pick the mirrors by Albatross and you select it with the space. I will just click OK. It will check the repository. As you can see, Albatross's mirrors selected. We will just do that again. So hold down the key, paste, go. This will fix your issue with repository and it will download Ubuntu or whatever you will pick. If you pick Kali Linux, it will install Kali Linux. The default action is to keep your current version. Just click enter. Let me do this. Okay, it will show a little bit better. Enter again. We will just install default as it is. So you can see we are doing that right now live. We will allow Termux to use photos. Sorry guys, I need my coffee. I hope this tutorial will help someone learn a bit about Linux, but I have to mention that you can't run server on this, or let's say SSH. I tried connecting to this tablet, but you can't connect to, because the systemd is not running, because this is just Android with its own kernel, or how do you say it, kernel, running on its own. This is just Linux simulation or part of virtual machine. So that's it guys, we have installed Linux, but this is just the basic Ubuntu, you know. it says you can now launch Ubuntu with the /start minus Ubuntu 20.sh for next time, because we are already in. So if we type hostname, it says localhost, of course. I want to show you how to use the basic tools for Linux. Let's say you want to ping something from this ping google.com command not found. What now? So what you need to do is Ubuntu uses apt install. You need to install the package to use ping, you know. You need to install iputils-ping. This will install the package for ping, to use ping. So let's do this together. Okay. Unable to locate package iputils. Why not? Okay, let's check. Let's do apt update. So Linux will check the packages. Do this, guys. Apt upgrade. Just wait. Do you want to continue? Yes. Yeah, before installing additional packages, you need to update the basic configuration for the Linux. So apt update and then apt upgrade. I think you will get some errors between, but this is just because we are not running pure virtual machine, you know. Below this it's Android, like I said before. We are using Android version 9 on this tablet. It's a little bit old, 3 years old. Samsung tablet. But yeah, I was really interested in doing this today, learning about putting Linux onto my tablet. But I was disappointed because you can't run server on it, or systemd, systemctl command doesn't work. But hey, we can ping and check the open ports for some domain or something. We just need to wait for this to be over. Okay, this will take... Okay, it's over. Okay, now do this again. apt install iputils-ping. It will install the ping scripts. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, now do this again. Ping Google. There we go. We are pinging. To stop this, you just hold down Control and press C. Okay, it's not working here. Yeah, it worked on my tablet. Control C stops the pinging. Anyway, we have ping working. Now what? If you want to check your network connection, you can do this netstat. And as you can see, we don't have the package to use this. So let's install netstat. Networking. I think it's called Network Manager. Yeah, apt. I'm kind of new in this, guys, so don't be mad. I'm still learning. Network minus manager. So, okay, these are the libraries that gonna be installed. We just have to wait to okay, yes. 152 megabytes of disk space will be used. Yes. It really looks cool, you know. At the end you will see, guys, just running pure Linux on a tablet. But hey, you can use the basic stuff on it, you know, pinging, checking open ports of other servers or something like that. I don't have the knowledge yet, but it's fun. Let me put this down so you can see the packages installing. I'm not sure if it works on higher Android versions. I saw a post today on some different forum that Android number 12, version 12, doesn't work with this application anymore. But I'm not sure. I will try to test this someday. Sorry guys, but this is gonna take a while because the tablet is a bit old as well. But at least we have good connection on my Wi-Fi. 300 megabits line, so it should be good while downloading. So when you type netstat, I think this is just short for network status or something like that, I'm not sure. It will list, you can put netstat minus space minus nlp, and it will list all the TCP, UDP stuff that listens to. I will show you after this finishes. Like I said, it's gonna take a while to do this, but it will be worth it. I did check before deleting this application and starting the video. The Linux and the packages are installed inside this application termux, just for your information. But hey, it's really fun to see something like that in work. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. So it will ask you geographic area. I'm in Europe, so I will select number 8. And I have to select this number 8. I am in Ljubljana 26. Ljubljana time zone, of course, because I live in Slovenia. Let me guys know what you think. I hope this will help someone with frustrations that you are having, you know. I did so a lot of guys had problems with keyboard while using GUI, the desktop version of this. But I want to learn pure Linux with typing commands to get the feeling, you know, for it, the miles on training. But yeah, this takes a couple of minutes to finish. Don't worry if you get a lot of errors setting up. As you can see, I'm getting them as well, but this is not real physical or VM machine. But it will be fine to use just pure Linux. As you can see, failing back to front end. There's a lot of failed stuff here because it can't find the kernel of the Linux, because this Android is basically Linux, you know, and you can't use kernel with multiple applications. I'm not sure what would happen if I used special kernel. I'm not sure if how to do that. I'm not that far ahead, but hey, we will see. Don't get mad. I'm new as well. As you can see, we are gonna learn together. I can show you guys some other tricks with other applications, like how to set up selfie camera for streaming, like applications to do that. Some just have a watermark in the left upper corner, but they are free to use. Yeah, just let me know. I will do more videos if you want. I should put down the volume. Okay, I think we are almost done. Okay, we will see. Okay, we are done, guys. So if you press up key right here, it will return the previous command you typed. So netstat command not found minus nlp still not working. Wait, what do we need? I will Google this. Yeah, we need netstat. Okay. I think. Let's check. No. Uh, okay, we need something else. Now I know. I think apt install net minus tools. I think this is it, guys. Don't get mad. Yep, we got this right in the third time. Okay, now let's try netstat. Voila! This is our Unix and it's showing you type, state, it's listening. I think this is port inode and path where it is def, socket and so on. I hope you guys are doing this as well on the go with me. If not, just watch the video again. What else can I show you? Oh, we can install nmap. It's network mapper. If you want to check for your virtual machine which ports are open, let me show you. This is my host, so let's stop it. Okay. If you want to see open ports, just do... Oh, we need to install first nmap. So again, apt install nmap. It's network map, network mapper. We want to continue. Oh, before installing packages, you can do apt install nmap space minus yes. So it's minus y. This will just keep the questioning and it will install without prompting to, if you agree, if you know what I mean. Okay, nmap is installed. So let's use it. How to use it? You can nmap, you can type down IP or domain name. This is my test domain name. Okay, it's failing. Failed. Okay, so we didn't type something right. You can do maybe minus P. No matches. No. I forgot the port. If you want to check port 22. No. Okay, something isn't working. Should we check? our IP. No. Okay, this should work. Let me see if I made some mistake. Let me Google it for you guys. nmap scan domain. I'm not sure why it doesn't. Oh, now I know. Silly me. You can't do this if you are being in with a root account. So we need to create a user to use this option. This is the thing I tested today. Now I remembered. So let's do user add, and what should we name him? Techmishek. Okay, we have created user Techmishek. So su Techmishek. No. Okay, this worked complete. Okay, this still works, but let's see. It's working a little bit different from when I was using this before, but hey. Okay, I guess we are logged in as Techmishek. Just use nmap google.com or your address that you want to scan. Let's see. Oh, this is the result, guys. As you can see, 22 port is closed for SSH. 222 is open for SSH. Port 80 HTTP and secure HTTPS is open. This is how you scan, guys. You need to create a user. So let's go back to root. Su root. Password. I don't have a password. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Authentication failure. Okay, let's do exit. And we are back at root. So what we need to do is set password, because we haven't set it for root. Password root for username root. Let's do, okay, password updated. So let's go again. Oh, let's make a new password for Techmishek as well. Password Techmishek, new pass. Okay, let's do su Techmishek. Su means that switch user. Okay, we are logged in as in Techmishek. I hope you understood, guys. So let's do su root password, and we are back in as root. So yeah, usually you don't need to to do this, but this is virtual, so we needed to set password manually. And I guess that's what I wanted to show you for this video. One more thing. Let's exit. No. Okay. Voila, guys. So for the next time, did you remember what to type to start Linux? I did not. So let's go back in termux. Now what? We are not logged in as root. So just do ls or ll. It means list, or ll is long list. Okay, I guess long list doesn't work. Okay, ls is fine. This means list. So to start Linux again, type dot slash start minus Ubuntu 20.sh, and voila, we are inside of our server. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. As you can see, it works. We can ping out. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. System has not been booted with systemd as init system because the kernel is being used by Android phone, so you can't install SSH or something like that. It just won't work. If you guys have any workaround, let me know, but I'm kind of new in this, so at least we got this set up. We can check how to list users. I think you can use get a list of all users using password file. Okay. Less. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We need to install a lot of things. Yeah, I still need to learn a lot of things, but for the heck of it, don't forget, start Ubuntu 20.sh with dot and slash before it. This is just the script already inside to start the Linux. Oh, if you want to edit files, there's a couple of tools that you can install, like Vim, Nano, V, whatever you are comfortable. So just do apt install. I use Vim, and let's do it like this, -yes. So it will just install it without asking you to confirm if you agree for something. I usually use Vim. It's like Notepad in Windows, you know, but more advanced. It's used for opening files and so on. Oh Jesus, sorry guys, we are already 40 minutes in, but I hope this tutorial helped you. You can't set up server on this. It would be just better to use Raspberry Pi or something like that, virtual machine. But yeah, I think you can't use it with termux. Anyway, let me guys know what you think on this tutorial or just video for help. As you can see, we finished it successfully with a couple of bumps, but hey, I'm happy. So I hope I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.